iOS 18 has come up with a super convenient feature that lets you share Wi-Fi passwords using QR codes, times when other sharing methods aren't available, or for when you wish to share the network details with several people at once. This new feature will have a role to play. That said, let me show you how to easily share Wi-Fi passwords with a QR code in iOS 18 or later. To get started, you have to open the Apple Passwords app on your device and then authenticate using Face ID to proceed. Now tap on the Wi-Fi card. Then select the Wi-Fi network you would like to share. And finally tap on the Show Network QR code, and that's about it. It will instantly generate the QR code for your Wi-Fi password. Now you can allow other person to use their iPhone's camera to read the QR code and receive the network name and password. Alternatively, you can also share the QR code using the sharing method. Just tap on the share icon at the top and then share the QR code through the desired medium like messages, AirDrop, WhatsApp, and more. It's worth pointing out that the QR code feature only supports Wi-Fi passwords and not regular passwords. With the help of a QR code, you can easily share the Wi-Fi passwords with multiple people simultaneously. Moreover, this method also makes it pretty straightforward to share your password with Android users or the ones who are not in your contacts. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and updated. Bye-bye.